The stock market is an unpredictable roller coaster ride. It's full of ups and downs, and people often look at what's happening in the market and wonder, is this a bad time to invest? Which is the question I'm answering today. If you want to learn more about how to save, invest, and make the most of your money, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. People get scared when the market drops. Their natural inclination is to pull money out of the market, not put more in. But historically, the market has always recovered. So putting money into the stock market when prices are low isn't a bad idea. The truth is, as long as you're willing to leave your money invested for at least 5 years, preferably more, then there's no bad time to invest. There's always an opportunity for you to grow your money. The best time to invest is actually as soon as possible. The more time you have to keep your money invested, the more you can benefit from compound interest and growth over time. There's no bad time to invest, only a bad time not to invest. If you need help figuring out how to invest and how to do it on your own, check out our video on investing for beginners. And for a little extra boost, watch our free masterclass, Think Like an Investor, where my fellow co-founder explains how she went from being $40,000 in debt to making thousands from her investments every month. All right, thanks for watching this series on investing and answering your most critical questions. If you have others that we didn't get to, definitely pop them in the comments below and we will make sure we answer those in a future series.